Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Good day. Today I am going to teach you how to convert texts into human voice. Just like what you are hearing right now. But before we start the video, please subscribe, like and share this video. And don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on my next video. And leave a comment down if you have any suggestion to the next video that I can make. First, download the application that is in the description down this video. After you download the app or software, install it. When done installing, open the software. Now I will show you how I did this text into human voice technique. Type some text that you want to be converted into human voice. For example, let's try a Filipino text version for this software. Tagalog language. Kumusta kayong lahat? Ingat tayo sa COVID-19 virus. Huwag kalimutan magdasal sa Diyos. Don't forget to pray every day. Always thank God for what we have today. You can download this audio text converted to MP3 just like this. Tagalog language. Kumusta kayong lahat? Ingat tayo sa COVID-19 virus. Huwag kalimutan magdasal sa Diyos. Don't forget to pray every day. Always thank God for what we have today. You can download this audio text converted to MP3 just like this. That's how it's done. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Goodbye.